Hello, I'm Tomasz from the I-Pi team. In today's tutorial we will demonstrate monocular depth estimation with MidasNet on OpenVINO and I-Pi SMARC Elkhart Lake development kit. So what is monodepth? Monocular depth estimation is the task of estimating scene depth using a video, and it has endless applications in industrial automation, robotics, medical imaging, autonomous, and many more. So what we are waiting for? Let's get started. So you've seen how easy it is to deploy and get output. Please follow us. There will be more tutorials coming soon, so subscribe, like us, and you can find some useful links in the description below the video. So thanks again.